Hey everyone, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this summer inspired makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by using my Morphe 35O palette, and the brush I'm going to be using is the M441, and the transition color that I'm going to start off with is this orange right here. I'm going to move on to the next shade, and I'm actually going to be using the NYX Hot Single in the shade LOL. I will still be using the same brush to use this shade in the crease. And what we're going to be doing is just building up the orange like we did in this eye. Going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to go in with this orange right here as well as this orange right here. I'm just going to be mixing those two colors and just applying that in my crease. And while I'm doing this step, I am still using the same Morphe brush. Now using my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm going to go in with this brown shade right here, as well as this color right here. I'm going to be applying this brown in the outer portion of my crease. Now I'm going to be going in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and then my e.l.f. concealer brush to do a half cut crease. I'm going to be going back with the brown shade that we used earlier, still using my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just going to apply it right here in the outer portion of my eye where we just applied the Milk pencil. Now I'm going to be going in with my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow, and this is in the shade Snapdragon. This shadow is such a beautiful shadow, and it is extremely creamy, and that is something that I really do like about these Colourpop shadows. So I'm just going to be applying this on my lid. For my primer, I already used my Badescu, and this is the Rose Water one. Now I'm going to be moving on to foundation, and I'm going to be using my NYX Total Control, and I am in the shade Natural, and I'm going to be using my Morphe Beauty Sponge to blend that out, as well as my Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm going to move on to concealer and cream contour. My Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define, and I am in the shade C4. For cream contour, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. Now I'm going to be moving on to bronzer, and I'm going to be using my Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and this is in the shade Natural. And then I'm going to bake using my Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. I'm also going to be using my NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to be using my NYX blush in Dusty Rose. I'm going to move on to highlight, and I'm going to be using the Carli Bybel palette. I'm going to be using this highlight shade right here. Now I'm going to be moving on to my favorite lip combo that I've been using, which is the NYX pencil in the shade Mauve, and then my NYX lipstick in Bedtime Flirt, and then to top that off, the Ulta Brilliant Color Lip Gloss. So this is the end to this video. I truly hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, as well as all my social medias will be down below, so you guys can go follow those if you'd like. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Love you guys so much.